The clock is ticking. Tax filing 2025. The tax deadline is April 15th, 2025. Don't wait until the last minute. Filing early is crucial. It helps you avoid potential delays. You also reduce the risk of identity theft and costly errors. Get ahead of the game and file your taxes early this year. This year, early filing is more important than ever. The IRS has faced staffing challenges. These challenges could lead to longer processing times for your refund. Don't let these issues delay your refund. Early filing not only secures your refund faster, it also gives you peace of mind. You can relax knowing you fulfilled your tax obligations on time. Take control of your taxes and file early this year. Remember, the deadline for filing your taxes is April 15th, 2025. Don't delay. File today. The IRS is facing some difficulties. Staffing cuts have impacted the agency. This means they may have fewer resources to process returns. As a result, refunds might be delayed. However, the IRS is working hard to improve its services. They are implementing new technologies and streamlining processes. This aims to speed up refund processing times. Despite these efforts, it's important to be prepared for potential delays. Understanding the factors that can impact your refund is key. This includes the filing method you choose and any errors on your return. Stay informed about the IRS situation. Check for updates on processing times. And remember, filing early can help you avoid some of these potential delays. Refund race, e-filing versus paper filing. When it comes to getting your refund quickly, e-filing is the clear winner. Choosing direct deposit for your refund adds to the speed. With e-filing and direct deposit, you can receive your refund in as little as 10 days. In some cases, it may take up to 21 days. Paper filing, on the other hand, takes considerably longer. If you mail in your return and request a paper check, expect to wait 6 to 8 weeks. That's a significant difference compared to the speed of e-filing. Why does e-filing make such a difference? Because it eliminates the need for manual processing. The IRS receives your information instantly and can process it much faster. So this year, ditch the paper and embrace the digital age. E-file your return, choose direct deposit, and get your refund faster. Section 4. Where's my refund? Navigating the 2025 tax season. We understand. Waiting for your refund can be frustrating. You're eager to receive the money you're owed. The good news is the IRS offers a handy tool to track your refund. Where's my refund? This tool is available on the IRS website, irs.gov. You can also download the IRS To Go app on your smartphone. Both options provide the same information and are updated daily, usually overnight. To check your refund status, you'll need a few key pieces of information. This includes your Social Security number, filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund. Remember, the Where's My Refund tool and IRS To Go app are your best resources. They provide the most up-to-date information on your refund status. Avoid unnecessary calls to the IRS by checking these tools first. Section 5. Red flags, common reasons for refund delays. While most refunds are processed without a hitch, delays can happen. Several factors can slow down the process. Understanding these factors can help you avoid unnecessary worry. One common reason for delay is errors on your tax return. This could be anything from an incorrect Social Security number to a miscalculation of your tax liability. Double-check your return before filing to ensure accuracy. Claiming certain tax credits, such as the Earned Income tax credit or the child tax credit can also delay your refund. These credits require additional verification by the IRS, which takes time. If you have outstanding debts to the federal government, such as student loans or unpaid taxes, your refund might be applied to those debts first. This can significantly delay your refund or even reduce it. The complexity of your tax situation also plays a role. If you experience major life changes like marriage, divorce, or home ownership, your return requires more scrutiny, leading to potential delays. Section 6. What's the holdup? Steps to take. When your refund is late, it's been weeks since you filed your taxes and still no refund. You've checked "Where's my refund?" religiously, but it seems stuck. Don't panic. There are steps you can take to address the delay. First, revisit your tax return. Scrutinize it for any errors. Even a minor mistake can cause a delay. If you discover an error, you may need to file an amended return. If your return is error-free, the next step is patience. Unfortunately, the IRS might be experiencing higher than usual volumes. Give them some extra time to process your return. If the delay extends beyond the typical processing time for your filing method, you can contact the IRS for an update. However, be prepared for long wait times. The IRS phone lines are often jammed, especially during tax season. Remember, while a delayed refund is frustrating, it's not the end of the world. By taking these steps, you can address the issue and hopefully get your refund soon. Section 7. Need a hand? Expert help for a smooth tax season. Navigating the complexities of the tax code can be overwhelming. If you're unsure about any aspect of your taxes, seeking professional help is always a wise decision. Tax professionals such as certified public accountants or enrolled agents possess the knowledge and expertise to guide you through the process. They can help you maximize deductions, minimize your tax liability, and ensure accurate filing. For complex tax situations, such as self-employment income, investment properties, or foreign income, professional assistance is highly recommended. These situations involve intricate tax rules that can be challenging to navigate alone. Remember, seeking professional help is not an admission of defeat. It's a proactive step towards ensuring your taxes are filed correctly and on time. A tax professional can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like this video for more updates.